Falt or gruag, they are just two regional varieties of the same thing, and that is hair.
Hair.
Okay. So you will most likely hear see falt because it's easier, masculine noun. You don't need to change adjective. With gruag, you would need to. Okay, that's why they prefer it. Okay, so falt, gruag, same thing. Okay, next one is cown. Jess knows this word.
That was the head.
Yeah, cown is head. Cown. Okay, and the next one is utan. Utan. Utan.
Yeah.
Utan. It's face. So utan. Okay. So next one is kluas. Kluas. So kluas. Kluas is ear, maybe. Kluas. The next one is bell. Bell. Bell is mouth. Bell. Okay. The next one is thrown. Thrown. Thrown is nose.
Oh, that's a relief. It's got most of the same letters. That'll be easy to remember.
So, yeah, all kind of. It's just one extra letter and minus one too. So thrown is nose. Okay. Sul. Oh, sul. Sul is eye. Yeah. Clan. Yeah, clan are teeth.
Teeth.
Yeah, fiachklan. Fiachklan. Okay, and the next one is chenga. 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 It's tongue. Similar to me. Okay, and that's dream. Dream.
Dream.
Dream. Dream. Dream is back. Dream. You see this one quite a lot in place names. It also means mountain range. So dream. And that's why you see it in place name quite a lot. Place names like Dramna Drohich and all that. Dream. Okay, next one is brew, as in iron brew. Easy to remember. That means belly. Love. Yeah, love. Love means both hand and arm. So there is actually no distinction between them in Gaelic. Okay, so all of this is love. There is a special one for arm as well, but it's not used very much. So okay, so and that's love. And the next one, of course, is cas. Cas. Cas being foot and leg.
Oh, so they add them together as well.
Yeah, yeah. But otherwise, it's just leg. Okay. Which includes foot as well, because it's part of leg. Come on. Okay, and the last word is avich. Avich. Avich is neck. Avich. Yeah. Avich neck. Okay.